Welcome to another episode, that is 217th episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we're going to see direct object. This is a simple style of phrasing, but many of you are still having confusion with it because the style varies from language to language. But seeing a couple of examples with an easy method alongside will make it easy for you. Direct object is very simple. You might have watched it in video number 86 already, but let us see it again. Just few examples. I saw him. He eats them. We will call her. Here, him, them, and her is what we are going to see in simplest way so that you can register it in your mind forever. And this is the list of videos we have done so far. You can have a look. And to see the entire 216 videos, you may click the link in the description. Try to visualize this table, please. This is going to be very helpful for you. The direct objects are me, enna, you, unna, him, avana, her, avala, it, other, him, that is the respectful term, avara, her, that is again the respectful term, avangala, us, engala, or nammala, whichever you wish to say, and you, ungala, them, avangala. You can see the personal pronoun on top to which this corresponds to. I saw them in the market. Na avangala marketla paathen. You can look at the arrow on top row and a smiley below. It is just I made it for you to understand it better. Na avangala marketla paathen. I saw them in the market. She's calling us. Avanga engala கூப்பிடுறாங்க or avanga nammala கூப்பிடுறாங்க. To understand the difference between engala and nammala, you have to watch video number 7. It is an interesting term which we do not have in English. Avanga engala கூப்பிடுறாங்க or avanga nammala கூப்பிடுறாங்க. Was it you who asked her to sit? நீங்க தான் அவளை உட்கார சொன்னீங்களா? நீங்க தான் அவளை உட்கார சொன்னீங்களா? Was it you who asked her to sit? நீங்க தான் அவளை உட்கார சொன்னீங்களா? I hope it is getting simpler for you now. You can look at the table on top just if you find anything unclear. The teacher would scold my son. So we are replacing now the teacher and son. He would scold him. Avana avaru tittuvaru. You can also say avaru avana tittuvaru, but you have the flexibility of rearranging the words and you will never get confused because of the declension avana. So there's a video on word order which you should watch to understand better. You can check it in the link or just check video number 123 and 124. Once again, enna, unna, avana, avala, ada, avara, avala, nammala or engala, ungala, avangala. And now, just as a small little fun exercise, you can try to translate these simple phrases. The first one. First of all, why did he beat him? The second one. The mother will bring Meena to school. So replace mother and Meena with the appropriate terms. Third, we will take care of ourselves. And the fourth, we will take care of ourselves. The second phrase, that is, you're telling among yourselves. This is very unique to Tamil, as I told you, and you can check video number 7 to understand it better. Now, the learner's corner. That is, if you wish to learn and get conversant with the language, you should also start watching a lot of other general Tamil videos in YouTube or anywhere. It could be anything, a joke or a movie you like, interview of your favorite star, a game or reality show, just anything. And learning the script is very, very important. Otherwise, you'll find it difficult to progress. And I wish to ask you, friends, if you are good with or if you are adept with the social media, that is making Instagram posts, videos, reels, or making YouTube shorts, please help me out, because that is not my strength. I struggle to learn them and it takes a lot of my time. So anyone willing to help and share their knowledge in making these videos more visually appealing, I'll be more than happy to spend some time with you learning. Thank you again for staying with these videos and spending your valuable time in a productive way. Please also watch the Instagram Learn Speak Tamil. You can like and subscribe and press the bell icon if you like these videos and find them useful. Thank you. Vanakkam. See you soon with another interesting video.